What's up, guys? This is Richard again for another edition of Learning with Rich. So for today's lesson, we're going to talk about component groups. So in the exercise that I'm going to show you is, I'm going to show you how to create, copy, and modify a component group. And then after that, I'm going to show you how to copy groups between levels. All right, so let's get started. For the first part of the exercise, I'm going to create, copy, and modify a component group. All right. So again, if you do not have any exercise file, just message me and then I'm going to share this model to you. This is a sample project from Autodesk, so this is not mine. All right, so to start with, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to select these components here. All right, so I have the book shelving, and then I have the specialty equipment, these chairs with dining table. Okay, so I'm going to select these components using crossing selection. So just cross it, and then after that, to group these selected elements from the create panel, you can select here create group, or you can also type GP. Okay, so I'm going to select create group. Okay, and then you can just specify the name of this group. So let's say I'm going to key in here typical office layout. Okay, and then after that I select OK. So they are now in group. So if I click outside, so if I click again, as you can see, it's now in group. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move the origin to the upper left corner here. So I just place the origin there, so you can just drag that. And then after that, the next thing that you need to do is, I'm going to select the group. So after you select the group, so don't forget to select copy. Okay, so you select the copy, and then just make sure multiple here is checked. Otherwise, you will be able to copy this only one time. And another thing, you need to check the constraint here so that you can move the elements horizontal or vertical only. Okay, so since I'm going to copy this multiple times, I just select multiple. And then don't forget to check constraint. Okay, then after that, we are going to copy that on rooms 3 and 5. Okay, so 1, 3, and 5. Okay, so I'm gonna select this wall as my base point. And then I'm going to select here one copy. So I just place here, and then just place another copy here. Okay, so we now have 3 groups copy. Okay, and then select modify to terminate. Okay, all right. So the next thing that I'm going to do is, I'm going to create another group or place another group to my second room and fourth room. Okay, so I'm going to mirror. Okay, so I'm going to mirror the element. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to select this group, hold control, and then select this group. Then I'm going to select this tool, mirror peak axis. So just select that, and then I'm going to use this center line of this wall to mirror my group. Okay, click. There you go. Then select modify. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is, I want to include also the door to my group here. Okay, so meaning I want to edit the component group. So I want to add this door. So to do that, what you can do is, you can select the group, and then you can select here the tool edit group. Okay, so just select that, and then you select here add. Okay, so there's the add to group, and then after that, you just need to select the door or the element that you want to be part of the group, and then you just finish that. And take a look at the magic. Finish. Boom. So it also update the other groups, right? Okay. So that's how you group an element, and that's how to modify. Of course, if you want to remove an element from the group, you just need to select the group again. You can select edit group, and then this time you can remove it. So you can even attach a detailed group to our model group. All right. So, but I'm not going to do that. So I'll just cancel this. There you go. All right. So hope you follow the procedure on how to copy and modify our component group. So it's not that difficult. So this is very useful, especially if every floors in your project, they have a typical layout. So you can just group of elements and then you can just copy. So after that, you can check the 3D icon. So check the 3D icons. As you can see, if you orbit, okay, so these are the groups that you created, right? So if you want to duplicate or if you want to copy these elements to the second level, okay, so this is what you are going to do. So this is how you do it. So from level 1, going back to level 1, I'm going to select all the groups. Okay, so I select all the groups by holding your control to select it. And then after that, from the clipboard panel, you can see here, copy to clipboard. So you just click that. And then as you can see, there's the paste expand component drop down. So you just click the paste drop down, sorry. And then after that, you can select here align to selected level. So this is how you copy an element to multiple levels. Okay, so you can select align to selected levels, and then you just select the level where you want to copy the groups that you just created. So for this one, I select level 2, and then okay, there you go. Okay, just select modify and then check again the 3D view. Boom. All right, so that's now your model, right? So grouping your elements will really saves you a lot of time. So if you notice that the elements or the layout of the floor plan, they are just typical, and then you're going to put also typical layout. So you can just group it first. Okay. So that's how you group an elements and copy it to multiple levels. So hope you learned something from this video. So if you like the video, kindly hit the like button below. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you can put it on the comment section and then I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you like it. And again, this is Richard from Learning with Rich. And until then, take care.